Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix a hidden ribbon in Microsoft Word so that you can get back to your work. See, this entire section on the top is known as ribbon. Inside ribbon, there are headers, and these headers are called tabs. And if you click a tab, you can see additional tools, and these are called commands. To make sure we are on the same page, first I want to show you how to check the version of Word you are using. For that, go to File and then go to Account. You can see product information and go to About Word. You'll see the product information, and the product I'm using is Microsoft Word 2019. Let's go back to the problem we are trying to address. First, let me hide this ribbon. So now the ribbon is hidden. One way to get back the ribbon is to go to the very top of the screen, and then you can see a blue area. Click that blue area. You can see the ribbon. However, if you click inside this document, the ribbon will disappear. So how to make the ribbon appear all the time? That is what I will show you. For that, go to very top right, and here is a button, square, and inside square there is an upward pointing arrow, and this is called ribbon display options button. Click that button. You will see three options: auto hide ribbon, show tabs, and commands. Earlier I was in this mode, auto hide. So now what we do is go to show tabs and commands, and you'll see your ribbon is back. Now if you click inside this document, the ribbon will not disappear. In this way, we can fix a hidden ribbon. And one more thing I want to show you is that if you go to any of these tabs and double click, the commands will disappear. And then in order to make them appear, you just do it. You go to any of these tabs and then you double click, it will appear. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next.